everyone. In this video, we will understand about a concept called as cohort analysis in Tableau. How do we perform cohort analysis making use of the fixed LOD expression? Cohort simply means a group or a collection. Now, here's the requirement. Using Superstore, I would like to look at the sales made by this business across different years. And I'm going to convert this into a bar chart. This is the total sales which happened in the year of 2017, 18, 19, and 20. I would like to segregate the customers into different cohorts based on the year in which we acquired the customers. So the year of acquisition means nothing but the year in which the customer made the first transaction with Superstore. To obtain the year of acquisition or the customer acquisition date, I'm simply going to create a calculated field with fixed LOD. Fixed at customer name level of detail, I would like to know what is the minimum of the order date. So each customer might have performed a lot of transactions on different days, but the minimum of that list is going to let me know the date when we acquired the customer. For every member in the customer name dimension, we are going to check when the customer made their first transaction or purchase with Superstore. And that would be the customer acquisition date. Now this customer acquisition date, when I bring it to the color shelf, you will notice that Tableau divides this graph, or it converted the bar graph into a stacked bar graph. Now let us try to understand what is cohort analysis and how we read this data. This is the sales which happened in 2017. Let's say the year of establishment of the business. So this is the overall sales made by all of those customers who came to the store for the first time in 2017 and made some transactions. Then in 2018, we can see that the overall sales has dipped down, but major part of that sales is coming from the 2011 cohort customers. And this is the sales which happened by the customers who came to the store for the first time in 2018 and made their first transaction with the business in 2018. Similarly, if you look at the data for 2019, this is the sales made by the 2017 cohort customers. This is the amount of sales we obtained from the 2018 cohort customers. And this is the sales made by the new customers who were acquired in the year of 2019. Now look at the information for 2020. This is the sales made by the customers from the 2017 cohort. This is the sales made by the customers from the 2018 cohort. This is the sales made by the customer from the 2019 cohort, and hardly anything, very, very meager sales happening from the customers, new customers who were acquired in 2020. So what do we infer by creating this graph or by performing something called as cohort analysis, where we have segregated our customers into different cohorts based on the year in which we acquired them, in which the business acquired them. So we can notice that the customer retention capability of the business is good. Customers, once they come and do some transaction with Superstore, they are coming back year after year. But the customer acquisition capability is going down. This is the contribution towards sales from customers in 2011 cohort. And look at the number of new customers and the sales coming from them in 2018. The new customers from 2019, the new customers from 2020. So the customer acquisition capability of the business is definitely not good. Retention capability is definitely excellent. Now, this is with respect to the sum of sales, contribution of the customers towards the sales. What if you want to perform the same analysis and understand the count of customers? How many people have we obtained in each year as our customers? In that case, you simply have to remove sum of sales and replace that with the distinct count of customers. Now here I have done a right click on customer name and took it to the rows shelf. When you right click and take a field to any of the shelves, Tableau will understand that you're trying to use it differently from the regular, and it gives you a pop-up asking you which field do you want to drop. I would like to use the count distinct of customer ID field, And now this is the total number of customers we acquired in 2017, 595 of them, of which 437 people returned in 2018 to make transactions, of which 485 people came back in 2019, of which 517 people came back in 2020. So we are able to retain our customers. But look at the new customers acquired year over year. Just 136 new customers were acquired. In 2017, 595 customers were acquired, which went down to 136 in 2018. Further went down to just 51 new customers acquired in the year of 2019, and very small or meager value in 2020. So this is how cohort analysis will help you analyze your data. Hope this information was informative and helpful. Thank you.